Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch of our brand new product, VC Employee Assist. Specifically designed by South Africans for South Africans, keeping you on the right side of the law, taking the admin schlep out of your hands, doing it all for you, saving you money and time, giving you peace of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is David Rees.
I'm Swangina Mufokeng, and it is our privilege to introduce this wonderful product to you.
The only one of its kind in South Africa, and as far as we know, in the world. VC Employee Assist.
May I ask a question? Are you an employer or an employee?
Before you answer, let's see how some other people have answered this question.
I'm not an employer, and at no point have I ever considered myself an employer.
I work for a boss, so yeah, am I a boss?
The majority of the time I work for someone. I'd consider myself to be an employee.
Okay, so how about you? Employer? Employee?
Have you considered the impossibility that you may be both?
Yes, I do. I have household help that comes in twice a week.
So yeah, I do have people helping me.
I have a cleaning lady who sometimes comes in. It's not a regular arrangement, like a weekly or daily thing.
Okay, hold on. So if you have someone coming in every now and again to work in your house or on your premises,
To do cooking, cleaning,
pool care, child care, pet care,
gardening services, or whatever.
are you then officially considered by law to be an employer?
Oh, now that you say that, I definitely realize it. I never thought I would ever be an employer, but yeah, if you say it like that, I'm definitely an employer.
So I suppose on that level, I am an employer.
Oh my word, I'm an employer.
Okay, so how do you deal with that?
Oh, it's really easy. It's really not that complicated. The people come in, they do the work, and I pay them via EFT. And only sometimes do I then pay them cash. So it's really that simple. Easy peasy, if you had to ask me.
Unfortunately, it is not as simple as that anymore. Laws have changed, not only to the benefit of the employee, but to the benefit of the employer as well.
You know, Sipongile, what I find interesting and a little bit scary as well is that employees often know more about their rights within the law than their employers.
You're right, David. If you're an employer, you simply cannot afford to be uninformed anymore. Your ignorance about these matters could place you in a vulnerable position.
The rights of household employees have significantly been extended. It is now extremely important for any employer like yourself to understand these rights and to ensure that the relevant laws and regulations are followed. Otherwise, you could get into serious trouble and it could cost you a lot of money.
Oh, brother!
Okay. Just hold on. When I hear information like that, I want to run away. I mean, I'm not up to speed on all the laws and the regulations and the policies and all of that admin,
I just don't have time to do pay slips and handle regulations and stuff. Oh my word.
Who has time? We're busy dealing with load shedding. We're dealing with so many issues. Who has time?
Oh no.
That is exactly why we are here. Sipongile, shall we share the good news with him?
Oh, let's do it.
Can't wait.
Okay, you start.
Ladies and gentlemen, the good news is...
Oh, yeah.
we have already done all the studies for you.
The policies, procedures, legal documents, the paperwork,
Everything is already in place for you to access at the click of a button.
empowering you with everything you need for every month.
And for every unforeseen eventuality that may arise.
Putting you in the pound seat, protecting you against harm, saving you time and money, giving you peace of mind. Oh, yeah!
Well done.
I love it.
Gosh, I can't even handle my own. Never mind all this. So I really don't know how I'm going to handle this.
I'm not interested in loads and loads of paperwork and admin. I mean, even if I was, I don't have the time.
Look, I'd really like to comply, but I must say, I do not like admin.
We will help you comply.
We have already done all the admin for you.
With VC Employee Assist, you simply click on your own private portal, giving you access to everything that we have already prepared for you.
Every month you get an SMS reminding you download your payslip, which we have already prepared for you. Download your attendance register, UIF, everything.
Simplifying and organizing everything on your behalf, making it a no-brainer for you. An absolute admin breeze.
Wow, that sounds great. I love it.
I am so grateful that you're going to handle this for me. And I understand pay slips and I understand the UIF, but an attendance register, what on earth is an attendance register and how do I keep that?
Good question. Why is an attendance register important to protect yourself? The Basic Conditions of Employment Act stipulates that employers must record the working hours of all employees in an attendance register.
The CCMA will also require the document if the employee was dismissed as a result of absenteeism.
The UIF office will require the attendance registers in the event of an employee's death, which could safeguard you, the employer, from damaging claims instituted by the children or spouse of the deceased.
Say no more. Attendance register, very important. Protect yourself.
And don't worry, we will help you with this.
That sounds great. I'll take the whole package.
Okay, well, that sounds really cool. And I love the fact that you're going to do it all for me.
Okay, on that portal that we've mentioned before, we've already simplified and organized everything for you. At the click of a button, you have access to the following: a take-on form to set up a payroll portfolio, a contract, leave forms, human resource documents, funeral cover, yes, you get that as well, and statutory compliance are very important. We'll get back to that later.
Number 7, legal assistance. Yes, a whole team of legal experts at your disposal countrywide with representatives in your area. Training manuals, training videos, a training tick list that needs to be signed off by employees, protecting you against lawsuits and personal injury claims that may result in the unnecessary loss of your precious money if these things are not in place. So yes, training tick list, more important than you think.
Number 10, disciplinary codes, empowering you with all the information and documents regarding verbal and written warnings, final warnings, dismissals, etc. Always keeping you one step ahead and above board.
A non-disclosure agreement and all other policies and procedures that you need to have in place in order to stay protected within the requirements of the law.
A monthly magazine keeping you up to date with articles, competitions, and so much more.
And last but not least, monthly SMS reminders to download your monthly pay slips, which we have already prepared for you and will mail to you, as well as everything else you need to have in place on a monthly basis. David, how would you explain VC Employee Assist to your wife, neighbor, and friends?
I'll put it this way. A hornet's nest of admin and legalities that would have taken me days, weeks, or even months to research, study, and prepare now takes me seconds or minutes to simply update and maintain on a monthly basis. Thanks to VC Employee Assist.
Well done, Dave.
Okay, sorry, apologies. If you can just go back. There's the big word you used. Sounded like a swear word. Point number 6. Can you just explain that a little bit better?
Oh, statutory compliance. Well, that ugly swear word is actually going to become your best friend. Statutory compliance protects you from any claims against illness or injury that may occur in the workplace. This is very good news for both employer and employee.
The law now requires all employers of household workers to register their employees at the Department of Labor and to contribute to the compensation fund.
Failure to do so could result in employees bringing a case against you for the cost of their hospital and medical expenses, permanent disablement, compensation for death, and even pension payments.
Being on the right side of this law benefits both the employer and employee.
Being on the wrong side of this law, however, could cost you hundreds of thousands. So please, let us help you get this in place. All the documents you need are available on the portal.
VC Employee Assist takes all the admin schleck out of your hands, informs, simplifies, organizes, and literally spoon feeds you with everything you need to stay above reproach, securing good relations between employer and employee, giving you peace of mind, and resulting in massive savings in terms of unnecessary financial loss and legal costs. And all of this is yours for less than 10 Rand a day.
Dear employer, embrace this gift. You've got your portal, the take-on form, contract, leave form, human resource documents, funeral cover, statutory compliance,
legal assistance, training manuals, training tick lists, disciplinary codes, non-disclosure agreement, monthly magazine, monthly SMS reminders.
all this for less than 10 Rand a day.
I think it's a no-brainer.
All you have to do now is click on the link below.
And let us
Help you.
Give me hope.
We've done it.
Hope.
Done it.
Hope.
Morning comes.
Give me hope, Joanna, hope before the morning comes. Give me hope, Joanna, hope, Joanna, give me hope, Joanna, for the morning comes. Give me hope, Joanna.
VC Employee Assist, doing it all for you, saving you money and time, giving you peace of mind.